Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Mally. For those of you who know me and for those of you who do not know me, my name is Mally. Thank you so much for stopping by. Um, it's such a beautiful day out here today, to really be honest. The sun is just amazing and the sky is blue. And I was like, you know what? This is the perfect day to come out here again to record a video. So that's what we're about to do. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about 10 life lessons to excel in your 30s. So I hope you stick around and enjoy the rest of the video. The first lesson to excel in our 30s is to start saving up for retirement. And that can be your 401k and also a Roth IRA. With the 401k, we get that directly from our employers. So whatever company that you are working for, if they are a legit company, they will offer 401k. And then some of them will do match. So what do I mean about that? So they will match up certain percentage they will give you as an employee, and you can match that up. So sometimes they may be 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%, whatever percent that company is giving you. Please take it, because that little amount, you may think it's a little amount right now, but eventually it will become a lot down the line. And then the second one is the Roth IRA. The Roth IRA is almost like your 401k, but this one is definitely after tax. So at a certain age, you can't touch this money until you are a certain age. The same way with the 401k. But with the Roth IRA, once you retire or once you get to that age, when you start to withdraw the money out, is untaxable. So they're not going to tax you on what the interest that you have gained over the years. So just think about that and consider that. So the second point would be to start taking care of your health now. I know a lot of us think like, oh, in our 30s, we feel energetic. Oh, I'm healthy. What do I need to exercise for? What do I need to watch my diet for? But hey, I'm telling you, if you don't start now, that's going to lead to difficulties in the future. So my advice to 30-year-old or even 20-year-olds is to start watching those things that you are putting in your body, watching those things that you are drinking, watching your sleep. I'm telling you, watching, things that you are like doing to yourself, watch those things, because it may not affect you at this point of your life, but trust me, down the line, you don't want to be walking around here and like be sickly every time. You really don't. So watch what you eat, exercise, take supplements, all of those things help build your body. So the third point would be to not focus your attention or your energy on people who do not treat you well. And we all know those people that are in our life that are not treating us well, that are not respecting our boundaries, that are not respecting our, who we are as an individual. It's okay to let those people go, okay? It is okay. It's not a bad thing if you are in a toxic relationship with someone and it's not beneficial to you, is not increasing your wealth, is not increasing your health, is not increasing your mental state, is not doing anything to you. Please, it is okay to walk away from that relationship, because you need to be healthy. You need to be overall healthy. And it's not just healthy in a sense of you being healthy physically, but mentally you need to be healthy. You want to be able to go to bed at night and you are able to fall asleep peaceably. not having the chaos of the world resting upon your shoulder all the time, or not having, somebody whispering in your ears and telling you all sorts of things, negativities. You don't want that. So please, it is okay to cut those dangerous influence that are like toxic to you. It is okay to cut them out of your life. The fourth point would be to be good to those that are good to you. Let me say that again. Be good to those that are good to you, because those kind of people come once in a blue moon. Like, it's not even a joke. Those type of people who have good heart, people who are genuinely with you, you need to cater to those type of relationship. You really do, because it will help you sleep well at night too. Let me tell you now, it will help you sleep well at night, and it will help you mentally, and it will also help you, emotionally. Seriously. So the people who are good to you, keep them around you. Build this relationship with them, And you know who are good. You know the people who are good. You know them. Like, I don't have to define that category of people. You know them, So definitely keep your eyes open for those kind of people that you know within yourself, that have those people that have your back, that in thick and thin, they are standing there with you. Not the ones that will come one day and say this and say that, and then next minute you hear your business out on the street. Yeah, just saying. But you know the good people. So surround yourself with good people. The fifth point would be, you can't have everything. I know we live in an ambitious world where we want to have everything. Like, we want to have the best car, the best house, the best this, the best that. Listen, it is not possible. Well, let me not say it's not possible. It is possible, but think about it. How much of an energy is going to take for you to be like literally striving to just have all the best thing in your life? It's going to take a lot of energy. And if you have that energy, be you. I would say again, be you. If you have that type of energy to just be like wanting, like coveting all the best cars, the best house, the best this, be you. But for me, I I choose to live a content life. Where my hands can reach, that's where I'm gonna reach it. If my hands can go too far, it's okay. If someone's hands can go that far, praise God for them. And let them be. Let them enjoy that life. Don't sit back and covet that and and feel sad in your heart, or compare yourself to that and be like, oh my gosh, I'm in my 30s, she's in her 30s, or he's in his 30s, I'm in my 30s, and he's able to do X, Y, and Z, and I'm not able to do X, Y, and Z. Don't do that to yourself, please. So the sixth point would be to not be afraid to take risks. I know a lot of times we want to live in such a secure, boundary life and everything, but risk is part of the journey. This journey of life that we're all, on, it takes risks for us to get to where we want to be or get what we want to have. So it is okay to take risks. I mean, don't take foolish risks now. Take risks that are reasonable, risks that you know that will cause a result. You know what I mean? Don't just go and put your paycheck in something that you don't even know anything about. You haven't done any research about it and be like, okay, I'm taking risks. Nah, I'm not telling you to do that. But if you have done research, let's say, for example, if you're trying to do an investment, right? And you have done research about this investment, and you have heard some testimonies about this investment, of how the growth is in this investment, and you feel comfortable, you feel peace in your inner gut, don't be afraid. Take that risk. Don't put all the money there at once. Try a little here and little there, and then test the waters and see. And then eventually, if you see that the first few dollars that you put in were able to mount up to something, then you can go ahead and put the rest of the money in. But risk is definitely part of this journey of life. The 7th point would be to continue to develop yourself. So some of us are blessed with natural talents, and some of us have to go to school to acquire knowledge. So for those of you who are blessed with natural talents, let me talk to you. There are so many things that you can do to improve that natural talent that God has placed inside of you. It could be you're naturally able to play basketball. So what do? Work on that. You're naturally able to make YouTube videos, like naturally. Work on that. You are a seamstress. Work on that. Those are natural gifts that God has placed inside of you. Don't sit back and be like, what can I do with this? There is so many things that you can do with that. So many things. And then for those that have to acquire education to become, to sharpen up their talents, or to sharpen up those things that they feel like they are able to do, go ahead, take those classes, figure out how to get those credits to be able to sharpen the area of your field. Definitely, do something to develop that skill that God has placed inside of you. Do something. Don't just sit back and be like, oh, I've already graduated with my master's degree and that's it. No, the world that we live in is revolving. So we got to get with the system. A few years ago, the internet wasn't as effective as it is today. But look at it, what is happening today. Like, everyone is using the internet. People are using the internet for Zoom. People can connect with people from the States all the way to Africa, to Europe, to Australia. You are able to do so many things. So why not get with the system? The same how the world is evolving, you need to evolve too. You need to develop those skills more and more daily. Invest time into developing yourself. Number 8 would be nobody knows what they're doing. So we are all on this journey of life. We are all on the journey of learning. People who have been able to achieve so much today, they had to learn. They didn't just get up one day and was like, oh, I already know how to do this. No, they had to learn these skills that they're like making bucks on today. They had to learn it. So what make you think we are different? If the generation before us had to learn how to invest, what make you think that we're different? So nobody wake up one morning and be like, I know it all. No, that's not possible. It takes time of investing in yourself. It takes time of learning things, improving your skills to get the knowledge that you need. And the last 2 points are very dear to me. So number 9 is to invest in your family. When I say invest in your family, I'm telling you, my people, it is important. Family is the foundation of this thing called life. I know all families are different, and I know everyone is not the same in that household. We have some people who are more a go-getter. We have people who are, you have to literally push them for them to get to where they need to be. It's okay. It's okay to have those type of family. But I won't tell you like you should leave that foundation and be like, oh, I'm going to build friendship with people outside and that's it. And my life will be legit. Nah. God put you in that family for a specific reason. Even if the family is not all together, put together. For the fact that you were born in that family, there's a reason God put you there. He could have put you in another family and you could have settled there and things would have been great. But he chose this particular family for you to be a part of. So you need to honor all your family members. You need to honor your parents, honor all your siblings, love them, respect their individuality, respect the person that they are. And you guys need to build that family relationship together. So for the last point, which is point number 10, is to be kind to yourself. Be kind to who you are. Because the world that we live in is a very ambitious world. Everybody wants things for themselves. Everybody is looking for their own interests. That's the reality about the world we live in. So you have to be kind to yourself. You have to respect the person that you are. You can, look down on yourself and think that, oh, other person is much better than me. No, don't ever feel that way. Respect the person you are. Accept the person that God has made you to be. And just grow, and become this beautiful lady, this beautiful gentleman that God has created you to be. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope you definitely got some few things. I know you all probably won't get the whole thing, but there might be something in this video today that you needed, and I just pray and hope that you were able to get that one little point that you can take and run with. So I just really encourage you all to continue to be positive, continue to look forward to achievements, look forward to the beautiful life that you have before you. Live every day as if it is your last. I'm telling you, because you never know when you could just not be here. Live life. Enjoy the life, enjoy the beautiful sunset, enjoy the green grass, enjoy your family, enjoy the season that you're in. Just enjoy it, and be blessed. As always, I will encourage you, if this video has been a blessing to you, to please subscribe. Your sis is out here and is putting her best foot forward. Anywhere that I can have some improvement, please give me your recommendation. Nothing you say to me will hurt my feelings. Trust me. I have experienced a lot. So nothing you say will really I would really be like, dare you to say that. No, I wouldn't say that. I love critiques from people. I enjoy hearing people critiques. So yeah, don't forget to turn on your notification buttons, of course, so you do not miss any of the future videos that I post on here. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones, because I know if it was a blessing to you, it will also be a blessing to them. So as always, continue to lift your head up high. Continue to be the best version that you can be of yourself, and live life without any limitation. All right? Be blessed, and bye for now.